We are damaged goods, holding baggage and constantly ignoring it, following one bad impulse after another. We are fully aware of the information in front of us, but do it anyways. Cornering until there is no escape. Don't see the consequences until it hits us in the face. One far too many times, I would like to think. Nightingale ghosted into the night, nothing left in sight, folding over in the silence. High winds whistle through the night. Toxic fields building their own beauty. Through what we once created, everything adjusts without the one existing. The future not recognizing the benefits we once hold. Do we really want to continue this thought?